Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, in this short video, I'm going to tell you for IELTS writing, what is it that examiner is looking for in your essay and in your writing task 1. Very simple. This video will take around 5 to 8 minutes. I'm not sure. Anyways, so as far as IELTS examiners are concerned, there are 4 babies of IELTS examiners, right? I'm talking about writing task 1 and writing task 2. Essay, letter, report, whatever it is. Okay, now they've got 4 babies and you got 2. Actually, it's a small baby, not the big one. Big one is also baby, my baby. Small is also my baby, my Shona Muna and all that stuff, right? So, let's see. The first one is task response, or we call it task achievement actually. The second one is grammatical range and accuracy. Third one is coherence and cohesion. And fourth one is lexical resource. I mean, whenever you go to take your actual IELTS exam, if you go there first time, you get the answer sheet. Below the answer sheet, there are certain points which are very important for you guys to consider, and I'm going to tell you about these points. Let's make a start. Okay, now the first point is here, task achievement. They give you band score in task achievement. Task achievement means how thoroughly you cover the topic. For example, if they give you 6 in task achievement, and I've read somewhere in task achievement there is no half band. I don't know it's right or wrong. They give you 6, 7, 8, no half band in task achievement. Then coherence and cohesion. What is it? Connectivity of ideas and proper paragraphing of your essay. Logical flow of your essay, proper paragraphing and connectivity of sentences. That is what we call coherence and cohesion. So you get band score here. For example, 6.5. Then we've got lexical resource. Lexical resource means vocabulary, referencing, rewording, paraphrasing, use of synonyms, use of topic related vocabulary and tense related vocabulary. So you get band score in that as well. For example, you get 6.5 here. And finally, grammatical range and accuracy. Now, sentence structure, and for grammatical range and accuracy, remember 3 C's. I can make heart as well. 3 C's. First C is try to use compound sentences. Compound, okay. The second C is try to use complex sentences. Compound and complex sentences. And finally, whenever you give an example, you can use conditional sentences, mainly compound, a couple of complex sentences, and when you give example you can use conditional sentence. And then this is what we call grammatical range and accuracy. And for IELTS, use passive voice for essay writing appropriately, use present tense, and if there is any example from the past, use past tense. Mainly essays are written in present, but if you want to quote anything from past or from future, you can go to these tenses as well. Now for instance, if you get 6 over here, your overall band is going to be 6.5. okay, that's important. Now another important thing which you need to consider, under length. Very important point. If you write less than 250 words, for example you write 210 words, so then it is 40 words under length. Under length by 40 words, okay. 250 is the benchmark. You must write 250 and above. Next, number of words you've written. For example, if you've written 270, 280, and then if there is any penalty on that, they will write here. Now, off topic, very important, irrelevant thing. Off topic, how many words have you written off topic? 100 words off topic, they are away. If one paragraph is off topic, it is out of your writing word count, and it is out of your writing. Then memorized, very important. A student asked me once, sir, if I memorize an answer, they may give me low band in coherence and cohesion, but grammar, vocabulary, like we've got one, yes, task, coherence and cohesion, grammar, vocabulary, I'll get good band. But if task response is not there, doesn't matter, not at all. task response is the first and most important thing. If you achieve task response, then they will check coherence and cohesion, LR and GRA. And if there is no task response, they will not go further, and your answer will be memorized answer, and the score for memorized answer is 1 band. And then illegible handwriting. Now for example, if I write this, okay, and I write it like this, now it sounds like eat or it sounds like cat, right? So your handwriting should be clear. I mean, it's not that it is something we cannot read and all that. So if the handwriting is illegible, again you will get low bench score in that, and they check that as well. They've got too much time to check your writing. Okay, so these are all the criterias for task 1 and task 2, and there are 2 examiners who check your writing, and still EOR cases are becoming successful. Examiner 1, examiner 2. One examiner checks, and they give you the bench score, right? And then the markers, they check the number of words and all that, and you get your bench score. So all these things are important. Next time when you write, please consider that. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we provide IELTS test booking service. If you want to book your IELTS exam in Pakistan, we will do that for you, and you stay home and you will get your venue letter and all that. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.